So today I'm visiting the wonderful market town of Stamford in Lincolnshire, and we're going to have a walk around some of the most important buildings. I can tell you though that there's so much to see in Stamford. There's no way you can do this in one visit and see everything, no way. And looking at the buildings around Stamford, there's no surprise that they came to film Middlemarch here. And it's perfect, absolutely perfect. And just opposite the George is the Lord Burleigh Hospital, a really ancient building. And an interesting fact about Stamford, it was the first ever designated conservation area in England and Wales. And in Stamford there are over 600 listed buildings. And another one of Stamford's beautiful churches is the Church of St Mary. The inside to St Mary's is quite different to many of the local churches. And the ceiling is absolutely amazing. And Stamford has the most beautiful shopping, absolutely stunning. Nearly all of them are small independent shops, and to be honest, that's the first empty shop I've seen so far. And the Church of St John the Baptist. one of many churches in Stamford, and this is the Church of St Martin's. Located inside St Martin's is the William Cecil tomb and the Burley family chapel. And that is one impressive tomb. And John Cecil was the 5th Earl of Exeter. And here you find the tomb of William Cecil and Lord Burley. The main high street seems to be doing really well, unlike some places that we visited. It certainly doesn't look run down. And one of the smallest churches in Stamford is St George's. Stamford being a conservation area, even with the new buildings, they're really sympathetic to the design. As you can see here on St George Street, modern buildings but fitting in perfectly alongside the older buildings. One of the oldest buildings in Stamford is the St Leonard's Priory. It's in wonderful condition. Priory was founded about 1100. It was actually founded by the monks of Durham, of all places. Now there are several green spaces in Stamford. You have the main park near the river, and then you've also got the recreation ground at the top end of the town.